Can you really enjoy party snacks without breaking your keto goals? Absolutely. Whether you're hosting a backyard barbecue, a festive game night, or a family celebration, you don't have to give up bold flavors or exciting textures just because you're eating low carb. With the right ingredients and creative twists, keto-friendly appetizers can be the highlight of the night without the guilt, sugar spikes, or bloat. Keto appetizers are all about smart swaps and maximizing flavor. Say goodbye to crackers, chips, and carb-loaded spreads. Instead, think crispy cheese shells, creamy dips, hearty meats, and crunchy veggies that deliver satisfaction in every bite. These crowd-pleasing snacks not only align with your macros, but also wow your guests whether they follow keto or not. Let's dig into 3 easy-to-make keto appetizer recipes that are perfect for parties and sure to keep everyone coming back for seconds. Cheddar Bacon Jalapeno Bites. Serve 6. These spicy, cheesy bites disappear fast. Ingredients: 6 fresh jalapenos, halved and de-seeded. 6 ounces cream cheese, softened. Half cup shredded sharp cheddar. 6 slices cooked bacon, crumbled. 1/4 teaspoon garlic powder. Pinch of sea salt. Mix cream cheese, cheddar, bacon, garlic powder, and salt. Stuff jalapeno halves with the mixture. Place on a baking sheet and bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 15 to 20 minutes until bubbly and golden. Let cool slightly before serving. Mini cucumber smoked salmon boats. Serves 4 to 6 fresh, elegant, and 0 cooking required. Ingredients: 2 large cucumbers. 4 ounces smoked salmon, chopped. 3 ounces cream cheese. 1 tablespoon chopped fresh dill. 1 teaspoon lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. Slice cucumbers into 1-inch rounds and scoop out a shallow center. Mix salmon, cream cheese, dill, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Spoon into cucumber cups. Chill before serving. Crispy Parmesan zucchini chips. Serves 4 crunchy, salty, and utterly addictive. Ingredients: 2 medium zucchinis, thinly sliced. Half cup grated Parmesan cheese. 1 tablespoon olive oil. Half a teaspoon paprika. Salt to taste. Toss zucchini slices with olive oil, Parmesan, paprika, and salt. Arrange on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake at 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius, for 20 to 25 minutes, flipping halfway, until crisp and golden. Hosting keto style doesn't mean sacrificing taste or presentation. In fact, these appetizers prove that keto snacks can steal the show. Focus on high-quality ingredients, contrasting textures, and simple but powerful flavor combinations. Pro tip: prepare double batches, these disappear fast. Which of these keto party snacks would you serve first? Or do you have a favorite go-to appetizer that keeps your gatherings low carb and high flavor? Share it in the comments and inspire others.